Hey guys, my name's Harris and this is a doctor's guide to lion's mane mushroom. Quick intro, I'm a medical doctor and I also study the medicinal properties of herbs, spices and plants. If you haven't heard of lion's mane mushroom before, then you're in for a treat. I first heard about this bad boy on a Joe Rogan podcast with a guy named Paul Stammet whilst in my final year med school. I was blown away by the research on it, so much so that I decided to start supplementing with it. I felt sharper in my thinking, improved mental clarity, and I believe it improved my memory recall for my exams. Now I've since spoken to some friends who work in professions where they need peak mental sharpness, and to my surprise, many of them were also supplementing with it, and those that weren't have now started to as well. There's a lot of people who are interested in how they can improve their mental functioning, and you can see this with the growing use of nootropics. Simply put, lion's mane is a nootropic machine. It's found on hardwood tree trunks in Europe and Asia, and over the past 10 years it has become a popular nootropic. A reason I'm so interested in nootropics like lion's mane is because it may herald a new chapter in the management of neurodegenerative conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's. Currently in the UK, 850,000 people suffer from dementia, and according to Alzheimer's UK, this number is projected to reach 1.6 million by 2040. As a doctor, I see many patients on a daily basis who have been diagnosed with age-related brain conditions. And although there is some treatment options available, the side effects are common and can be debilitating for many patients and negate the benefits as well. Research has shown that lion's mane activates a compound in our brains called nerve growth factor, or NGF. Now, what happens next is incredible. NGF acts like a messenger and tells us to do two things. First, look after current neurons, and secondly, tells our body to create new neurons. Neurons are the fundamental structures within our nervous system that allows the signals to be sent around our brain and our body. As we get older, our neurons accumulate damage, and if this reaches a critical point, some people unfortunately develop conditions like dementia or Alzheimer's. An increasing body of scientific work is beginning to uncover antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties as well. And these properties prove incredibly valuable in the fight against cancer, aging and cognitive decline. Lion's mane has been shown to improve and preserve the function of damaged neurons and the reduction of harmful molecules that damage our cells and DNA, known as reactive oxygen and nitrogen species. Alright, I know what you're saying, Harris, this is too technical for me. What you're talking about. So let me simplify it. Lion's mane protects our body from a host of molecules that want to cause harm. That'll do, I think. So how to incorporate lion's mane into your day? You can grow it yourself at home, get it in powder form or capsules. The most satisfying way would be to grow it yourself, but that can take a while. So what I do is I take it in capsule form, which means I can take it in the morning before going to work or exercising. And I have the option of opening the capsule and emptying the contents into whatever food or drink I'm making. I'd love to hear from you if you've tried lion's mane or any other culinary mushroom. And I'd also appreciate you guys hitting that like and subscribe button, as it helps us so much to get this education out there. If you'd like to learn more about lion's mane mushroom, to read the studies for the research I've mentioned, then please head over to elysiumherbals.com where you can find the in-depth blog posts and many of our other blog posts as well. Thank you so much for watching.